Did you know a dancehall queen completely threw away her crown to find her soul? When I tell you this transformation was shocking, I mean it, people. Ventrice Morgan, known as Queen Ifrica, was absolutely killing it in the late 90s. This woman had everything. Hit songs like Below the Waist, revealing outfits, and she was about to become dancehall's biggest female star. The industry was watching, waiting for her to take over. But then something incredible happened. She had a spiritual awakening that changed everything. Ifrica realized she was going against her own Rastafarian beliefs. Can you imagine? Here she was, performing in barely their clothes, singing explicit lyrics, and suddenly she saw the contradiction. What happened next blew everyone's minds. She covered up her body completely, ditched the sexual image, and became a conscious roots reggae artist. She even apologized publicly for her old dancehall songs. Talk about a complete 180. Today, Queen Ifrica is one of reggae's most respected voices, spreading messages about Black consciousness and women's empowerment. She proved you can reinvent yourself and still stay authentic.